Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about all the products that have really helped me get rid of my acne and acne scars. My skin is still in the process of healing, but I still want to share it with you guys because I know there are a lot of people dealing with these kind of skin issues, and I just want to help you all. So if you like these kind of videos, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification as well so that you don't miss any videos that I upload every single week. So without further ado, let's go and get started with today's video. So the first product that I want to talk to you all about is none other than benzoyl peroxide gel, IP 2.5% benzoyl peroxide. So this is an amazing product. I have been using this since 2 months now, and trust me, it's something that I'm very proud to buy. And after I started using it, literally changed my skin, and at the same time my pimples have reduced to a great extent. So basically this is benzoyl peroxide, and benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, it's the main ingredient for you to shrink your pimples or any kind of skin related issues. I have got the benzoyl peroxide, and trust me, this is just a super duper product. It really dries out your pimples in just one usage. What I used to do is I used to take a very little, about pea size cream, and then just apply it on my pimples like this and leave it on for like 2 to 3 hours and then wash it off. Talking about the price of the product, this is very inexpensive. It's just about 120 or 130 rupees. I got it from a local pharmacy, and it's very cheap and very affordable, and at the same time very effective. So make sure you try this out. And also, it's very important for you to know that you don't need to apply like a thick layer on your pimples, because it will only irritate your skin. So it's better to only apply it, in a very little amount on just in your pimples, and not all over your face, because it's just going to irritate your skin. So make sure you keep that in mind. So moving on to another product that has helped me a lot for clearing my acne and acne scars, it's none other than the Jeju aloe vera 99% aloe extracts. So I have reviewed this product on my YouTube channel, so if you haven't checked it out, please do. So I have mentioned everything on my previous video that I use this as a night cream, and it has helped so much for clearing my acne. I use this as a night cream, and I keep it overnight and then rinse it in the morning. I also use the aloe vera plant, but basically I use that in the morning and not in the night, because that plant has drying effects. So I just don't like to keep that on my face overnight. So I use it in the morning after I wash my face, and then I use that and keep it for about 40 to 50 minutes and wash it off. And it literally does the job so well. So you should definitely try this out. So the third product is the Aroma Treasures tea tree oil. This is an essential oil, and first thing I would like to tell you, it's to never apply this directly on your skin. I have been there, and I have literally ruined my skin by applying this directly on my face. So I would like to warn you to never apply it on your face without diluting it. Always do it. Always use this by either diluting it with carrier oil like coconut oil or almond oil, or you can use it with aloe vera gel. I like to use it with aloe vera gel. I take a little bit of aloe vera gel, and then about 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil, and then apply this directly on my pimples and not on my entire face. This works like a magic for spot treatments, and if you want to mix it with your moisturizer, you can always do that. You can take a little bit of your moisturizer and add about 1 drop of tea tree oil, mix it up, and then apply it on your face. But again, do not apply this without diluting it, because I have been there and I have literally ruined my skin. I'm actually going to insert a picture somewhere over here. I had ruined my face by applying this tea tree oil directly on my face without diluting it, and it actually burnt my skin and it caused a lot of redness. So yeah, always dilute this, and amazing product to dry up your pimples. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as well. I am literally just starting out, and if you would subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. And do let me know in the comment section if you have tried any of these products, and I will come up with another video very soon. So until then, take care. Bye bye.